Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to start by opening Messages app. Following that, click on one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Files and select one of those sources. Tap on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those, or just click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, hold your file that you wish to add and hit Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!